Hey everybody, welcome back to, I guess this is the second installment of this, but welcome to Universe Jarvis if this is your first time checking in. There's a lot, there's a moderate amount of content maybe. Anyway, so this is kind of a part two, if you will, to a video that I posted a few days ago. So I know everybody's heard of Temu, I can't really pronounce it right, but that app that's kind of like Wish, and I honestly want to say that it's a little bit better than Wish, to be perfectly honest with you, the tracking and all that stuff. But anyhow, get sidetracked. So this is the second set of things that have arrived, and I'm gonna go through them. I can't decide if I want to go through the bigger box. Well, it's not a box, it's a bag. If I want to go through that one first, but it's already kind of pre-ready for me, which I'll get to in a second when I show you guys this. So here we go. This is a heavy beast. Jeez, this thing's heavy. So here we go. We got it. You see Temu on there, Temu, Moo, whatever you want to call it. Now, I think I mentioned this in the first video. Their packing is a little interesting, but I guess they're probably doing, I don't know if this would be called drop ships or what the case may be, but they're like pulling it from a bunch of different places, and they just kind of put it in this plastic bag that's bright orange. I did get a little bit of annoyance because of how they like just, well, it's not Temu, I guess it's my delivery people, and they just kind of sit it on the porch right out in the open so the whole world can see this bright freaking orange sack. But anyhow, so here it is. Now, this one, I don't know why it's cut open. So it's cut open right there. I think there was a cut on the side somewhere, maybe not. But it's got this big slash already, so I don't know if this was a customs thing where, you know, customs had an issue with it and wanted to go through it, but, I mean, oh yeah, that's the other, I missed it, it was right in my face. So it's kind of pre-opened. I'm a little concerned about that. So what I'm gonna do as I go through this, I'm probably gonna make sure I sit some things off to the side in case there may be something missing. So let's get into it. I really don't need my trusty, dusty, dandy box opening thingy. So I'm just gonna do this. Here we go. Now, this is a little concerning, and it actually got messed up. That's kind of jacked up. So this is a little bag, and I'm not actually going to take it out of the packaging because it may be able to be returned. But this is kind of a, I guess, a knockoff of a Marc Jacobs, and it's got the Boss bag on it. But you see, when they cut it deep. It was a deep cut, and they went right through, and they kind of messed up. You might not be able to see it that well, but there's a little line right there from where they cut it. So good job there. Let's see, what is this? I'm guessing this is a lunchbox, maybe? Let's see. Yep, it's a lunchbox. So, real basic lunchbox. It's deep. It's a soft one. I'm not a big fan of a soft lunchbox, but it's got a crap ton of space in there. Look at that. So that's fun. That's an adult thing to do and to have and to deal with, to take lunch. So we'll stick him back in here. This, I don't know what this is. It's got little button things, pins. It's some sort of a little bag. Here we go. Guess it's like a tote situation. It's tiny, it's cute. I'm gonna get a lot in there. Oh, look at these little fun things. We got a little girl person. It's probably gonna be too much glare for you guys to see. We got a little bear person. There, you can kind of see the little bear person. Oh, let's put the girl person up there again. Oh, there she is. Oh, hey everybody. Got a rabbit person, and we got a spaceship bear person rocket situation. There's that. Let's see what else. It's packed full. I'm hoping nothing else is damaged. So I'm guessing these are some women's little tank top thingy jiggers in a couple different colors. And then this is a 5-in-1 fast charging situation for an iPhone and an Apple Watch, which is actually kind of cool. Now, the thing I do wonder, and I'm going to give you guys a bit or a tip, with any of this stuff that says fast charging, it does require you to have a 20-watt box in order to get the fast charging. If not, it's going to charge slowly. Which, I mean, even fast charging charges slowly. So I'm curious in this if they gave the... See? Yep, they did not. So, it's already out, I guess. So this is beautiful, actually. It's really, really nice. It'll look nice on a dresser or something like that. It does USB-C, and it's got a USB-A port on the back there. The USB-A is the bigger one. The USB-C is the small one, which pretty much is pretty common. And so it comes with the cable, but they did not give you the 20-watt charging adapter, which you're going to need for it to be a fast charger. So it's kind of something to look out for on there, because I don't really remember if the description said that it came with a fast charger or not, but it did not. So you're gonna have to get your 20-watt brick to get that to work, or any old brick. Just depends on what you want to do. If you want to charge fast or slow. I still don't know why I always look at this to see if it's gonna tell me what's in it. They do not. So as a result, we're gonna have to open this up. Isn't that so exciting? Bam! Okay. Not sure what these are. Oh, they're jars of some sort. And, oh, so they're drinking glasses. Yes. So, glass and a nice wooden top, and then a hole for a straw. So that's fun. Those are cute. They come with straws? Oh yeah, it came with straws too. It's super cool if I can get them out. So it came with some plastic straws. I'm not going to take these all the way out of the packaging, but you can see there it came with... Oh no, these are glass. Not sure how I feel about that. You're going to have to be extremely careful with that. And then it's got the little cleaning straws. Oh yeah, that's kind of dangerous. And some of them, yeah, so yeah. Yeah, so some of them slid down, so I'm just going to sit this over here. Alright, that's that one. There's some more stuff down in here. Make sure you check these bags, because there's a ton of stuff that they packed down in here. It's kind of crazy, actually. Let's find out what this is. Let's find out together. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm like, I have no idea what this stuff is. Now, I didn't actually order this stuff. Other half did, so I'm kind of trying to be like, So we're learning together. Isn't that great? Oh, I know what this is. This is a little hamper thing, and it's got a little structure here so you can make it stand up. So it's just a little hamper for laundry. Oh no, it's not laundry. Laundry. It's small. It's not a whole lot of stuff, but not bad, not bad at all. It'll be good for like maybe a dorm room if you want to throw some little small stuff. Maybe underclothes and stuff in there. I mean, if your clothes aren't that big, they can go in there. It's for laundry, but you probably need multiple of them. Not a whole lot, but it's something. Oh, so yeah, here's another one. So there's two, it looks like. Yep. And then we have a ton of, these are actually interesting. I was actually looking at making some stuff like this. So, oh, this glare, it's killing me. So these are little bracelets, and looks like they're done with the little plastic beads. They got small beads. And there's a bunch of evil eye ones in there. At least this is called evil eye. Let me get a little bit closer to the camera so you guys can see. So they're the glass beads, and then they have little dots on them. So this is called the evil eye. And there's actually a bunch of them. Then you've got the hand right there. You normally will see this with that little hand. I don't know. There we go, getting a little bit closer. So you can kind of see a little bit more of the detail. And there's a lot of these things. Great goodness. They even put them on crosses and stuff. Interesting. So that's this bag all the way through it. And now, this one I've kind of been waiting for. So it's been a little bit since I've kind of done videos, and you know, life, being an adult, turning 40, lots of stuff going on. And I always say I'm going to try to do better, but you know, you take it for face value, you do what you can do, right? Anyway, so this one I've been waiting on. This is exciting. So, I don't know if anybody does any cons or anything like that, but I am going to pop my con cherry Labor Day weekend. I am going to be going to Dragon Con. So this will actually have an item that I needed for that. Now, I'm going to be careful, and if whoever packaged this other package, if you're out there, you shouldn't be cutting through stuff, not that deep. I mean, it's so simple to maybe pull it up a little bit and cut, and in fact, let me demonstrate that. Look, pulling it up a little bit, doing a little nick, that's all you need. Plastic's not that hard to get into. Well, I take that back. The taped part is hard to get into. But, not that hard. Woo, this is so much fun. Oh my God. Let's see. Now I ordered this and I don't even know what oh. I know what these are. I know exactly what these are. These are funny. So I have some indoor plants and this is a little watering thing for them and it looks like a freaking IV. How cute is that? Isn't that amazing? It's got a bunch of... This is freaking awesome. I love it. I don't know how you fill it up, though. That's going to be the part that I'm going to have to figure out. Because, like, I don't know. I'm going to show you guys my confusion. So it's like an IV bag. And then there's... This does something. I don't know what that does. And then... I guess you can tell it how much you want it to drip out. Which, that's actually freaking awesome. I don't know how you fill it though. They have instructions. Pull out the tube at the junction of the bag and the regulator. And then you do some stuff. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Or either I'll get irritated with it. We'll see what comes first. So there's that. I'm gonna put this over here. Oh, this is a little, I'm not going to take this all the way out. This is, you can take a bottle, so like a glass bottle, so say you finish some wine. By the way, Stella Rosa is amazing. Well, I haven't had all the flavors, but it's good wine. But once you finish with the bottle, you set this little thing up and I think there's some kind of a process, I'm sure it's on TikTok and stuff, where you set the bottle on there and you kind of saw through it and you cut it like a clean line on the bottle and you can make stuff with it. You can like sand it down smooth and you can use it to drink out of, you can make cups and all sorts of fun things with it. So that's what this is. As I was ordering the stuff, I tried to get stuff that would be useful around the house, not just a bunch of random gobbledygook, which that was like a couple orders later, which you guys will see. So I got 3 of those little IV bags, so that's fun. What's this? Oh, this is what I was just kind of getting into. So I told you guys that I'm doing a con. This is the wig to go with one of my characters. And I'm pretty sure it's synthetic, but it actually doesn't look like it's bad quality. It's going to have to be styled. Ew, it's kind of... It's honestly grossing me out. Like, ugh. Oh, so gross. Maybe it's the net that it's on, but it's ew. It's like freaking me out. I'm not sure I'm here for it. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm gonna tear this up a little bit more and not hit myself in the face. So this is a little car vacuum. These are great, although look at the box. Now, I said this in the last video, if you have an issue with your stuff being bent up, Temu is probably not gonna be for you because this happens a lot. But at least it's in a box. I'm just hoping nothing's damaged. So this is a little vacuum. It's not as nice as the other one that I have, and it's smaller. But I think it's something good to have in a car, you know, especially if you got kids or something running around. Now, hang on. Okay, there's nothing shaking. Oh, it works. Whoa! Alright, this thing actually has a lot of suction to it, so... I ordered one off of Amazon. I spent probably like 30 bucks, but it's got more attachments. This doesn't have all the attachments, but honestly, I think it'll do what it needs to do. Not really sure what the life is. Maybe at some point, I'll do like a little follow-up video or something, kind of talking about the quality and how long this stuff lasts. But at the end of the day, most everything that you order is going to be coming from over there, so should be fine. I'm such a dork, and I'm so lame, but I wanted one of these so freaking bad. This is a little travel iron. Now, I know it's a little silly because most places that I stay, I can just ask for an iron if I'm traveling. But I do know sometimes the irons, I'll have like residue and stuff on them because I actually had a white shirt that got kind of ruined because there was stuff on the back of the sole plate of the iron, so I got kind of pissed off about that. But it comes with a little cup that you can put your water in it. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Look at that. Isn't that great? That is so awesome. And it looks like it's coated in like a ceramic. I think it, ooh, no, maybe it doesn't. No, it doesn't rotate, but iron, 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 whee! Just like when you were a kid and you had those little tiny play sets. Like when I went to daycare I won. That's what this reminds me of. This is fun. Does it twist? It does, I just don't know. Oh, ha! Okay, so it does twist around. So I can do that way, or I can do the traditional way. It's probably gonna take forever to iron something. It's a good thing that my clothes aren't super big, but this is, oh, this is so much fun. Oh man, it is literally Christmas in July, and I'm glad that everybody can be a part of this fun little journey with me, celebrating the holidays. Oh, so I forgot I ordered these. This is something else for cosplay. So I needed some shoes, like a black shoe kind of situation for some of my costumes. And these are, oh, that's kind of funny, actually. I don't know if you can see, so it's got like the skeleton on the bottom for the tread. That's kind of a cool detail. I hope these fit. And these are probably going to be what I wear mostly because I was going to do like the little sandals that you see on a lot of anime characters, but I was like, I'm not getting those. And in fact, the freaking sandals, I want to say, they were kind of expensive. Like those straw ones, they were like 30 bucks. I'm like, I'm not getting that. They're going to tear up. Who wants that? This reminds me of like a swim shoe. Okay, I probably could have gone down a size. They're a little big on the tips, but it'll work. There you go. And they'll work. Man, because I may have a sock. I'll probably have a sock on in there, so I should have enough space. I think I did these in a 10. Man, this is great. Save some money, too. I'm all about that. And the last thing that's so cool, not really. These are dryer balls and they're wool. I have to feel one of them. I hope they're real wool. If not, I bought some plastic ones and they kind of get on my nerves because then they're in the dryer like dum 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 dum. It's kind of annoying. So I got these wool ones, little 3-pack. Oh, they're awesome. I think they're gonna get lint on my stuff. Yep, there's little particles floating, but there you are. I don't know. I can't use this anything black because I will freak out. Maybe the lint goes away after a while, I'm not sure, but not bad. Alright, so guess what, guys? We've gotten through everything. Every single thing. There's some more stuff that's going to be on the way. I don't really know when. Like I said, it's like Christmas. You don't know when it's going to arrive. Well, no, I take that back. You do know when Christmas is going to arrive. You just don't know what you're going to get all the time. So, that's it for this particular video. I appreciate you guys tuning into my channel. Before you leave, if you've made it this far, and hopefully you did, please, thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, like, and comment. I try my best to get to you guys' comments as soon as I get notified that they're there. But I appreciate you guys. I love you. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. This allows me to do something that I like to do and that I probably shouldn't do so much, shop. But here we are. So until next time, Universe Jarvis out.